Hello my dear students, welcome back again. Today we are going to learn something that will help you speak English every single day. Our today's topic is useful daily expressions. দৈনন্দিন ব্যবহারের বাক্য. These are simple, short and powerful sentences that you can use anywhere, at home, in school or with friends. So, let's begin. অপেক্ষা করো. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. When you want someone to stop for a short time, say, wait a moment. For example, wait a moment, I'm coming. একটু অপেক্ষা করো, আমি আসছি. You can also say just a second or hold on. Now, our second expression is, আসছে কি? Are you coming? When you call someone or check if they are on the way, say, are you coming? For example, are you coming to school today? তুমি কি আজ স্কুলে আসছো? Our third expression is, একটু চুপ করো. Keep quiet please. When someone is making noise, politely say, keep quiet please. For example, keep quiet please, I'm studying. একটু চুপ করো, আমি পড়ছি. Be polite, always add please to sound nice. Now, our fourth expression is, সাবধানে থেকো. Be careful. When you warn or advise someone, say, be careful. For example, be careful while crossing the road. Be careful while crossing the road. রাস্তা পার হওয়ার সময় সাবধানে থেকো. আমার মাথা ব্যথা করছে. I have a headache. I have a headache. Use this when you are not feeling well. For example, I have a headache. I need some rest. আমার মাথা ব্যথা করছে, আমি একটু বিশ্রাম নিতে চাই. Now, our sixth expression is, আমার ক্ষুধা পেয়েছে. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. When you want to eat something, just say, I'm hungry. For example, I'm hungry. Let's have lunch. আমার ক্ষুধা পেয়েছে, চলো খাই. Our eighth expression is, আমি জানি না. I don't know. I don't know. It is okay to say this when you don't have the answer. For example, I don't know where he lives. আমি জানি না সে কোথায় থাকে. Now, our ninth expression is, আমি বুঝতে পারছি. I understand. আমি বুঝতে পারছি. I understand. Use this when you follow someone's idea. For example, I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. আমি বুঝতে পারছি তুমি কি বলতে চাও. Now, our 10th expression is, ধন্যবাদ. Thank you. This is the most powerful word in English. For example, thank you for your help. তোমার সাহায্যের জন্য ধন্যবাদ. Thank you for your help. Always say thank you with a smile. It makes your English beautiful and polite. Okay students, now I think you can speak these daily expressions confidently in your real life. Now practice these 10 sentences every day and soon you will start thinking in English naturally. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Edubloom. And comment below your favorite daily sentence. Stay confident, stay smart and keep learning English with Dadamoni. Thank you all.